Hello and welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today for you I have the new All Heart April polish, which is called Coonhound Blue. This is in collaboration with Animal Friends. So first up I'm going to show you how it swatches, and then I'm going to move on to telling you about Animal Friends and what they do, because each sale of this polish, $1 goes from that straight to Animal Friends, which is just great. So again, the polish is called Coonhound Blue, as you can see me applying it here. It has a really great, fabulous formula. Like, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats for you guys just so you can see what it's actually like in 2 coats. But, spoiler alert, it doesn't change in 2 coats. It applies perfectly in 1 coat. So you can just do whatever makes you feel comfortable, because I do know some people would prefer to have on 2 coats just for that thicker feeling, if that makes sense. I think that's why. I know I do that sometimes, but personally, this was so great in 1 coat, as you guys can see here. The brushes are really nicely sized, so you can get it all on basically in, 1 dip down into the bottle, and you can apply it. So while we swatch it, like I said, you're going to see me do a 2nd coat. I will read off the little card that comes with it. The side that tells you about the organization is what I will read to you guys first. So, Animal Friends is a non-profit companion animal resource center serving the needs of pets and people for more than 70 years. Their progressive programs have been nationally recognized and include humane rescues, shelters, and adoption services for homeless pets, humane education, pet behavior classes, pet therapy, wellness programs, and more, which is so great. In addition, Animal Friends is leading the way towards ending pet overpopulation in western Pennsylvania throughout comprehensive community-wide spay-neuter programs. Their goal is to ensure that the well-being of the companion animals while ending overpopulation, abuse, and Animal Friends is thinking outside the cage, and I just think that is a great cause for this polish. You can learn more about them at thinkingoutsidethecage.org, which I will have linked in the description box below. And I will also have a link to the Shop All Heart website, which will show you where this polish is available currently. And again, $1 from each purchase of this polish will be going directly to Animal Friends. So now that we have all of that covered, I will insert a picture of the actual cards later in the video so you guys can see it and read it for yourself if you want, both sides. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a fun little animal paw print. You can decide if it's a dog, you can decide if it's a cat. As you guys probably know, I am a dog lover. I have a cute little sister named Dixie, and so that is why I am doing it, the cute little paw print. I have done paw prints in the past, but I don't think I've ever filmed them. So for this design, I am using a white acrylic paint and just kind of painting, what do you kind of say that, like a rounded upside down heart? That's kind of what makes a paw print pad, like the base of their pad. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the little paw prints next. Now, after you have these applied, you want to let your paint dry, and then you can put on your favorite top coat. Of course, I use the All Heart top coat for this manicure, and it looks really great and shiny. I went ahead and added letters to this so it would spell out love, using the paw print as the O, just for something cute and fun. Now, next up is a photo of the card of all the information that I read off, so if you guys want to pause right now, you guys can read it. And here is your final look. Again, these are available now. It is available all month for the month of April, and maybe even into May. We will see what happens. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!